Hi, I'm Scott, one of the owners of Steve's Auto Repair in Woodbridge, Virginia. We believe in supporting our local community, and here are some of the ways we do it. For scouting, we used to just go ahead and support or sponsor the racing event that they had for the Pinewood Derby. Through that, we found out that the kids sometimes didn't have the equipment or the space at their house. So we went ahead and opened up our business on the weekend and got some equipment so that they would be able to accomplish building the car on their own. It's really been a pleasure having them there. It's great to see the reactions they have when they're completing their cars. For Salvation Army, for many years, we've volunteered at the warehouse. We've sponsored the Angel Tree program. We've helped out with the Fill a Truck program. We also help to maintain their vehicles to keep them on the road. For many years, we have been supporting the Boys and Girls Club. This nonprofit offers programs for youth in the community. We work on their buses and perform oil changes and inspections for them at no cost. Steve's Auto Repair also supports What's Up Prince William, WUPW.news, which promotes local nonprofits, including Boys and Girls Club events and programs. It's an organization that's very important to this community, and that's why it's important to us. We're a local business that believes in supporting our community. Please support us.